Hey guys, what am I playing? What am I playing? Granny? Why is the music creepy and why is the house so creepy? Granny moves a bit slower. No creaking floors. Opportunity to get a bonus day. Tip: be quiet. She hears everything. Keep in mind that if you drop objects on the floor, it creates sounds. Press and hold the remove button and free yourself from bear traps. Hide under beds or in cabins. You have 5 days. Use headphones for the best experience. Get out of here. You only have 5 days. All you need is in the house and be quiet. She hears everything and Granny's crazy. Good luck. How come Granny can hear if she's like old or something? I mean, like, how old is she anyway? I don't know, because last time I visited my grandmother, she is a good grandmother. Leave this house. Okay, nothing there. I just realized that Critical has only like 99 subscribers, so guys, you gotta subscribe to her. She'll do something special, which is, I don't know, something that's related to gacha, I guess. What is that? What is that? Granny? Yikes! I gotta hide under the bed. Oh, she's shaking. I don't like this. What did she say? I can't hear you. I can't hear her. What? Oh, it's a bear trap. That's what the game instructions said. Where did she get so many bear? Where did she get the bear traps from? From like trap bears or something? I'm gonna hide under there just in case she's coming again. It's pretty funny because we have like 4 bears in the show. Well, if it counts Flipkey, and then 5. I'm sure. I didn't even do anything! What is she going? You just knock over the boxes. What are the boxes for anyways? What are you doing? Okay, well, in this channel, I'm gay with Nutty. Well, you guys can, yell at us if you want, but that's not gonna change. Oh gosh, there's 2 bear traps. Actually, there's this one YouTuber named, Give Me a Sigh. I think that's what it says. And, I think this is she or they, whatever, if she goes by the pronouns. She actually shipped me with Nutty, so yeah. Oh, what's this? Car battery. Ah! Oh my gosh! Did any other bear trap just appear? I wonder what's the caliber. Maybe if I need to get out of here, then yeah. What's going on? I didn't hear a noise. No. Ah! my gosh. What is that noise? Did she knock over something? I think she probably did. I set it back up then, yeah. I'm not here, Granny. You know what? I'm gonna create sounds just right here. Okay, go, go, go. She's not that fast. Even though she's old. I drive cars before, so... here you go. You know what? I think I see the other objects, like from the basement. Hey, what's this? A part of a shotgun. Oh. Then I gotta shoot my granny.
I see you.
Yeesh. Where did she come from? Oh, yeah, that's right. Create sounds. It was a gasoline can. And it's not okay. Maybe at the back of the car. Oh my gosh! No! No! I'm sorry, car. I didn't mean it. Wait, how old is her car anyways? Like 50 years old? If she was 60, then she probably got the driver's license when she was like 16. And if you add like 50, then she'll be like 66 years old. Oh gosh, here she comes.
Do you want to play hide and seek?
No, thank you. Yeesh, did she put another bear trap? Oh gosh, she did. It looks like the god demon's just wearing a crown. Kind of. I'm actually one of the smartest kids in school. Oh. Yeah, I guess so. I think I need to hide something in here just in case. Just in case, she's coming back. Wow! Oh my gosh, okay. Go, go. Close the door. Wait, is that Zona? I wonder if I can lure her into that so I can, like, trap her inside. I don't think that's gonna help. That's not gonna help. Jesus, what kind of granny was she? Probably a psychopath. Oh gosh. Sheesh. Lots of people here are pretty bad. Okay, throw it this time. Okay, go, go, go. Close. And turn on. Ha ha! You're trapped here forever, Granny. Ow! Jesus, Granny is now gone for 2 minutes. Yes! I'll have plenty of time. Gonna see if I can find anything. Oh, think I should go back. I should probably go back upstairs and see what more do they have. Okay, oh, what's this? A piece of painting. What am I gonna do with a piece of painting? Oh gosh, is that a painting of Granny? Oh my gosh, I think it is. I don't want to do anything with you. Wait, what's this? Oh, that's nice. I wonder what happens if I complete the puzzle piece. I hope it better be something good. Hopefully it'll do something good. Okay. Just in case I need to find something. I don't think I looked through the doors yet. Nope. Nothing here. Let's go over here. Nope. Cutting pliers? Hey, this is nice. Wonder what cutting pliers are for. Better be something good. If Granny's back. I think it was a candle. Yeesh. Since when she was in the basement? I think I need to close this door just in case, like, I make any noise. Here you go. Let's see, what is that thing? Ah! Oh my gosh, wait. Yes, I got it. Oh, I think I made a noise. That means she's coming. This is not a very good place to hide there, Sniffles. Oh my gosh. Yeah! Got her over there. Oh my gosh. I saw Cuddles and Toothy playing this game called Piggy. It's on Roblox, so it's based on Granny and the kids' TV show Peppa Pig. Okay. Wait, maybe there's like something I can use. Jesus, that was loud. I never have a granny this cycle before. Oof. There it is. Oh, I gotta pass through the bell. So, she can hear everything that she hears everything that the sound I create. That's crazy. Oh. Oh my gosh, I hope I didn't knock off that lamp. I'm gonna see if Granny's right here. I think I need to go around just in case. Hey, what's this, a book? I wonder what's this for. A book? Yeah! Oh no, it creates noise! Oh no, no! Gotta hide, gotta hide. I wonder what kind of book is this. Maybe like for the criticism. I think that's what I'm guessing. Well, just in case if you're like bored or there's nothing to do for 5 days, then I'll definitely read this book. Maybe you'll have some like instructions of how do I get out here. What kind of painting is this? Is that blood? Yeah! Oh my god. Wait, what's this? I think I gotta hide just in case Granny comes. Yeesh! That was fast. Oh no, don't. Don't close it. I need to see what it is. Okay, that was weird. Jesus, is there an airplane? Okay, I think she's gone. Let's see. Oh, do I place the book right here? What was it? Yeah! Oh my gosh, what is that? Yeesh! Everything looks gray. Okay, yeah, no, no! I didn't mean to knock off the hanger. I didn't do it. Hey, since I'm a smart character, maybe I be a good liar. How about that, Granny? Okay, I'm gonna see what she has. Something. She's gotta have something. Alright, don't. Ow! Oh my gosh! Yeesh! Oh my gosh. I did it. Oh my. How? How on earth did this happen? She just crawled and on a bed like a spider. Oh my gosh. This is ridiculous. This is absolutely ridiculous. I have to leave this house. Yes, I have to leave this house. Oh, great. She left another bear trap. No way, Jose. Oh, I wonder what's in there. Oh yeah, that's right. I think I went to that area before. Or I wonder. Under. I found another part of a shotgun. Yes. Jesus, I mean, how did she crawl like a spider? Oh, is there a bear? Oh yeah, there's a bear. That's interesting. Okay, so I can finally kill Granny once I complete the pieces. Okay, oh my gosh, I don't want to knock this pieces over. Oh, I need one more thing. I think I need one more pieces until I create a shotgun. What's this? Can I open this? Nothing here. Oh yeah, that's right. I create the car battery. Oh gosh, I forgot about this. Sorry, Koreas, are you okay? I mean gasoline. Sorry, I meant gasoline. I think I need like the gasoline or something. Maybe the gasolines come from like the car key or something. Sorry guys, that was my stomach. All I have today was like pumpkin chocolate chip muffin. Yeah, right after this game I'll find something to eat. Well, such as ants. It wouldn't be I would have ants, but I don't want the ones that trying to kill me. Oops, I think I went I think I look here. The spark plug? Maybe it's like for the car. I mean, I've worked cars before. I learned about cars before, so maybe that's why I'm familiar with. That would be amazing if we have like a big house, but I don't think I want to have like any stairs because like it makes your legs tired. I mean, Critter Girl used to want the house as like with stairs like indoors, but now she like does it. What's that noise? Why am I shaking? Maybe I got nervous. Maybe I got nervous. I suppose maybe. I think it's day 2, so I wonder what Granny's gonna do in 5 days. This is gonna be worse. What the? What is the? Where did this came from? I'm gonna. Whoa! What's this? Nope, nothing here. Wonder what's it? Oh gosh, you gotta be kidding me. Nope. Nothing here. Wait, what's this? It kind of looks like sewers. Yes, I think it is. What's this? Oh my gosh, it better not have something in there. Otherwise, it will be hard to get it. I don't teach shooting class. I mean, I'm not like a cop or something. Is Granny gone? Okay, good. Jeez, I wonder what's this meat doing here. Gotta knock over the candle. And here she goes. I'm gonna see if there's like any objects around the living room. Oh gosh, I just knocked over the picture frame. Just like I did with the candle. Well, it was on purpose, not on accident. Shoot. Wait. Is this a backyard? Ah, if I trap in there, then why I wouldn't call for help? Help! Jeez. Oh gosh, I remember watching this horror movie. I think it's called Cleveland Abduction. Shoot. Oh man, it was based on a true story. Like, there were three girls trapped in the house with someone that they knew. Oh, is it? Yeah! Oh my gosh, no! In there. Okay, here. Okay, as I was saying, this movie is based on the true story. I mean, I heard that they trapped like over a decade. Oh my gosh. Like, this is crazy. I watched this movie once and it was horrible. I feel bad about the girls. Wait, is Granny not coming? Well, just in case Granny starves me, I'm gonna wait. What's this? Yes, great sounds. Nope, not happening. So the movie is called Cleveland Abduction. So I'm assuming that it takes place in Cleveland, Idaho. Man, each year for like 2 years, there's this kidnapper and he kidnapped 3 girls in here, and the third girl got kidnapped like 10 months before Critter Girl was born. Even though it happens at a different place, I feel bad for them. Oop. I think I gotta wait. Maybe there's something inside a watermelon. Okay, I gotta count. Slowly count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I wonder the playhouse key. That's nice. I kind of want to have like the piece of watermelon now. Looks like Granny's like, I didn't see a thing. Yup. You didn't see a thing, Granny. Yes! Why is everything great sounds? Why, Granny? Imagine if we're doing Granny in real life, but scary. Oh gosh. She just plays the bear trap. Wonderful. I'm gonna see what's inside the playhouse. Oh, what's this? It gotta have something in there. I wonder. Something is missing here. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna throw the key in there. Yep, and bye-bye. I should have went over there, but I think it's too. Yeah, it's too late. I'm hiding in the playhouse, Granny. Come and get me. Oh yes, I want to play hide and seek with you, Granny.
What? I got exactly a book.
Oh, what's a book about?
Okay.
Gotta be about something smart. Oh, video games and ambulances.
Wait.
It's nice.
Yeah.
Ow! Stupid door.
Stay here. Stay. Okay, good.
Anyways, Critter Girl is about to make episode 5 of Slick X Pepper. And, she is working on it. Well, she's staying home from school today because her mom is sick.
I'm staying home.
Oh, yeah. Even JJ. Okay, I think. I'm gonna go back. Shoot. I was at the living room, but how am I gonna create sounds? Oh yeah, there's this meat puncher. I'm gonna punch a meat. Here you go. Huh. You like that? How meat? And then this. Come and get it, Granny. Oh, I wonder if there's something in the drawer. Nope. Nope, nothing here. What's this? Engine parts. I need an engine part, like for the car. Yeesh, is Granny here? Oh, because the engine part is kind of hard to see. Nope, I think I'm gonna go. Yes. Oh, what are these red things for? I need a wrench. Oh, I need a wrench. Okay. You know what? I might have thinking about trapping Granny with like the sauna again. So I'm just gonna wait. Go. Okay, Sniffles, just like you did in day 1. And here she comes. Gonna trap her in there. And haha. Yes. Granny's finally gone. Well, for 2 minutes. Yes. Take that, Granny. Another piece of painting. I forgot I'm collecting the piece of painting since like day 1. Uh-oh. Nope, it's okay. Granny's gone. Granny's gone. Well, for now. I wonder how many pieces do I need left. Maybe like 3 or 2. Ooh. Meat. What's this meat for? I wonder what's the meat for. Nope, nothing here. What's this? I make the noise! Oh, I got a cogwheel. Maybe it's from the playhouse. I'm gonna see. Yes, I think I need one more until cogwheel until I get something, whatever that is. Have I checked up there yet? I don't think I have. Nope. Yes! I found it! I found the last piece. Shotgun! Woohoo! How you like that now, Granny? Yeah! That's what I'm faking. Ooh. Ammo. The gun is low. The shotgun is low. Really? I can put like 1 ammo in there? That sucks. I wonder when there she is. Oh my god, no. It's okay. I still have another piece left. I have another ammo. Okay, you know what? You know what? Eesh. Okay, for a spoiler of episode 5 of Slick X Pepper, I think there's a new character called Bloom. I kinda like her. Actually. Maybe I should shoot her when she like comes. Uh-oh, I made a little noise. I'm in trouble. And now. Yes. I got it. Move! Oh my gosh. Gonna see. Nope, nothing here. Oh, what's this? A special key? I wonder what's a special key for. Which one I haven't go? I've been into the basements, well, the second basement first. That's the opposite of down, up. The attic. Yes, the attic. Yes, I got it. Under. Oh, I think there's like spider in there. So maybe that's what the meat's for. I heard that the spiders are like, I think they were like carnivores, which means they eat other animals. I got a piece of painty. Yeah, yeah, is okay. Okay, maybe one more left. Okay, I think I have an idea. Since spiders are like, carnivores or something, maybe I'm gonna bring the shotgun and the meat to them, and I'll shoot it. I'll shoot it down. Yes, even though spiders are like creepy, I think you need them to live, like, just in case the flies are like bothering you. Yeah, Granny's gone. For now. I've been recording for like 41 minutes. Holy crap. It's because of this game. Yes, because of this game. Yeah, this is probably gonna be the longest gaming video I've ever done. Like, ever I record. Okay, I'm gonna go back to the attic. Then I'm gonna go back to the attic. Then I'll get a shotgun. Then I'll get the meat. Then I'll distract the spider by doing something. Okay, gotta go under there. What's this thing doing here? It doesn't make any sense. Well, I don't think Granny is coming, so unless the shotgun makes any noise. I think all I need is a meat. I'll place it on the plate, and I'll kill the spider. Granny's pet spider. If Granny had the oh my gosh! That was scarier! Oh, come on. Why is that to be ad? Oh my gosh. That thing scared me. I mean, Granny's scary. Oh my gosh. I only have like... Oh my gosh. After day 3, there's gonna be day 4, and there's gonna be 5, and I'm done. Shoot, where'd I... No! Ow! Why did this door slap me? What am I asking? Before I get hit? I forgot. Here you go, little spider. time to kill it. Uh-oh, I think Granny might hear it. So I'm gonna go back down and hide in there. Did I hear my heartbeat, or is she running down? I think she's walking up. Once Granny's gonna see this, she's like, "No, my poor spider!" What the? Ah! How did she know I was in there? How in the world did I know she was in there? I hide in there. How is this possible? Oh my gosh. Now I have blood on my face. Ugh. I have blood all over my face. Well, technically on my eye, but still. Okay, I think the spider's gone. Yeah, the spider's gone. A wrench. Oof. Wait, I think I need a wrench too for the car. Yeah, that's it. Yep, she's gotta hear it. I'm gonna go over there. Well, Granny's spider is dead, so I don't need to worry about it. Wait, does this make me noise? Is she? Nope. But two. Oh, I think I can only show her when she comes. I don't think this is gonna make noise, right? Oh, crud, it does. Shoot, where did I put the wrench? Where did I drop it? And shoot! Why can't I shoot her? I just put the ammo in there! What the heck? Oops.
Ooh, I seek you every time. And oh my.
Oh my gosh! If she comes to me, then if she hits me one more time, then I'm dead. 5. Day 5, the last day. Ooh, I wonder what's gonna be then. I hope it's something special. Yes! Shoot, where did I... No! Wrench. Gosh. Guess what? Okay. Okay, which place I haven't looked yet? I could have swear I look everywhere. Maybe I need like more keys for the door. Maybe this has to do with something. What's this? Better not. Oh gosh. This is my 5th day in this house. Oh gosh, so shoot. Oh my gosh. I know. I have a good idea. Dingo. Nope, sorry Ranch. I don't need you anymore. You're just here to fix things. Oh yeah, that's right. I think I need to get the last cogwheel. Like, yeesh. Ew, why do I have to crawl all over this? What is this? Some kind of sewers? Wait, I saw some. Oh, you got to be kidding me. I need something to shoot down. But what? Oh, I thought it was a picture frame. Okay. Yeesh. Yeesh, is that her family member? And here you go. Huh. I wonder what place I haven't looked yet. I checked the I checked the basement. I think. Wait, I think I need something. Hang on a sec. Gonna see if there's like anything I find. Nope, nothing. Shoot, where is Granny? She might be upstairs, so yeah. Yeesh, I don't want to knock over that picture frame. She's coming. I don't think I've been looking through this area yet. Yeah, no, no, no! Nope, I'm not dying. I'm not gonna die. I'm not gonna die. I'm not gonna die. Not gonna die. Not gonna die. I'm gonna need my bear, just in case she's like. Oh, nope, not. No way, Jose, not today. Yeah, no, 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 no. I forgot where Granny is. Oh, yeah, that's right. Like, yeah, no, 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 get away, get away, get away. Shoot, I think my headphone's dying. I've gotta need to charge it. Eesh. How did she know I was here? Oh my gosh. It better not something. What? What's going on? What? What's this place? What? Ah! No, get away! What are you doing? What are you doing? No! Ah! Okay, that's it. I'm done. I'm done.